Welcome everyone to this 5-minute yoga flow. Starting in a tabletop position, we'll move through some cat-cow vinyasas, inhaling as the gaze moves up and exhaling as you round the back. One more time. Slowly coming back to neutral, tucking the toes under, making your way into downward facing dog, paddling through the legs. Stepping the right foot forwards into a high lunge, lifting the hands above the head or placing them onto the right thigh. Gently release, moving into Warrior 2, straightening out the right leg, reaching forwards, moving into Trikonasana or triangle pose. Just moving as far that feels available. Gently release, coming back into Warrior 2 and swiveling the feet round, moving into a high lunge on the other side. Gently release Warrior 2, straightening out the front leg, reaching forwards, and again moving into Trikonasana. Slowly release, lifting the body up, bringing the hands to the hips, swiveling the foot round, moving into Goddess pose, bringing the hands to the thighs, and gently dropping the right shoulder forwards, and gently rocking from side to side. Gently release, we'll switch sides. Slowly release, straightening out both legs, pointing the toes forward, reaching forwards with the chest, interlacing the fingers behind the back, stretching through the shoulders. Gently release, releasing the arms, lifting the chest back up. And thank you so much for joining me today. I'll see you again next time.